Sai Ram children, good day. You finished your exams, right? Yes, so now we are going to come with our new chapter. So children, are you all ready? Okay, today we are going to see subject EVS. And what do we do before starting a new lesson? What do we do? Can you tell me? Yes, we do our new words. Okay, we start with our new words, right? Before starting the lesson. Okay, so let's begin. First word is houses. As usual, I am going to tell it one time and you are going to repeat after I say. Okay? HOUSES, houses. HOUSES, houses. HOUSES, houses. Very good. Our next word is protects. PROTECTS, protects. PROTECTS, protects. PROTECTS, protects. Our next word is enemies. ENEMIES, enemies. ENEMIES, enemies. ENEMIES, enemies. Next word is roof. ROOF, roof. ROOF, roof. ROOF, roof. OWN, own. OWN, own. This is my own book, right? OWN, own. So children, there are many new words here. You don't know the meaning of that word. So don't worry. When I start with the lesson, I am going to explain you the meaning of the word with the pictures. Okay? So if you don't know now, you just read the hard words and learn the hard words. Write it 3 times. Later, when teacher will start the lesson, in our next session, I am going to show you the meaning and the pictures of those words. Next word is beehive. BEEHIVE, beehive. BEEHIVE, beehive. BEEHIVE, beehive. Next word is mud. MUD, mud. MUD, mud. MUD, mud. Next, straw. STRAW, straw. STRAW, straw. STRAW, straw. Kacha. KUCHCHA, kacha. KUCHCHA, kacha. KUCHCHA, kacha. Strong. STRONG, strong. STRONG, strong. STRONG, strong. Next word is city. CITY, city. CITY, city. CITY, city. Our next word is village. VILLAGE, village. VILLAGE, village. VILLAGE, village. Next word is bricks. BRICKS, bricks. BRICKS, bricks. BRICKS, bricks. Our next word is cement. CEMENT, cement. Which word I am reading now? I hope you are concentrating here. Cement. CEMENT, cement. Our next word is steel. STEEL, steel. STEEL, steel. STEEL, still. Our next word is pakka. PUCCA, pakka. PUCCA, pakka. Our last word here of this page is sloping. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. Our next word is tent. T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Our next word is stilt. S-T-I-L-T, stilt. I know you don't know the meaning of stilt, but teacher will show you in your next class. It is a type of a house, okay? Our stilt is a type of one house. The images, and I'll explain you in detail in our next session. S-T-I-L-T, stilt. S-T-I-L-T, stilt. Next word is igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Our next word is caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. Mountains. Our next word is mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Jaipur. J-A-I-P-U-R, Jaipur. J-A-I-P-U-R, Jaipur. J-A-I-P-U-R, Jaipur. Flat. F-L-A-T, flat. F-L-A-T, flat. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. I hope you have repeated these words when I started. Yes? So now what are we going to do? If possible, don't see and tell, okay? I will just say houses. So you have to tell me without seeing. Are you ready? Come on, tell me. Spelling of houses. Just close your eyes and tell me. H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. Okay? Very good. Our next word is, close your eyes and you should learn like this, okay? It will be very easy for you to by heart. Next word is protects. So I will close my eyes and I am going to tell the spelling of protects without seeing. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-S, protects. Yes, correct. Next word. Our next word is enemies. Close your eyes. E-N-E-M-I-E-S, enemies. Okay. Otherwise, you don't know, then what we can do is, one time we will see and tell, and one time we can close our eyes and tell. Okay. So next word is roof. R-O-O-F, roof. Okay, now close your eyes and tell me. R-O-O-F, roof. Very good. Our next word is own. O-W-N, own. So I'm going to close my eyes and repeat. O-W-N, own. Next. My next word is beehive. B-E-E-H-I-V-E, beehive. So I close my eyes and tell now. B-E-E-H-I-V-E, beehive. Yes, correct. Now my next word is mud. M-U-D, mud. Now I'll close my eyes and tell M-U-D, mud. Correct. Our next word is straw. S-T-R-A-W, straw. I'm going to close my eyes and repeat. S-T-R-A-W, straw. Very good. Now let's see what is our next word. Our next word is kacha. K-U-C-H-C-H-A, kacha. So close my eyes and repeat. K-U-C-H-C-H-A, kacha. Our next word is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Now I'm going to close my eyes and repeat. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Next word is city. C-I-T-Y, city. So I'll close my eyes and tell. C-I-T-Y, city. Very good. Our next word is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Now I'm going to close my eyes and repeat. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Next word is bricks. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. Now I'll close my eyes and repeat. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. Next word is cement. I'll close my eyes and tell. C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. Very good. Let's see what are our next words. Have it done? What was the last word? Cement, right? Okay, our next word is steel. S-T-E-E-L, steel. So I'll close my eyes and repeat. S-T-E-E-L, steel. Our next word is pakka. So close your eyes and tell. P-U-C-C-A, pakka. P-U-C-C-A. Our next word is sloping. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. So I'll close my eyes and repeat. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. Next, bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. I'm going to close my eyes and repeat. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. My next word is tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Now close your eyes and tell. T-E-N-T, tent. Next word is stilt. S-T-I-L-T, stilt. I close my eyes and repeat. S-T-I-L-T, stilt. Next word is igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Our next word is caravan. Close your eyes. First we'll read the spelling, okay? C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. Close your eyes and repeat. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. The next word is mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Close your eyes. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Very good, children. Our next word is Jaipur. J-A-I-P-U-R, Jaipur. Again. J-A-I-P-U-R, Jaipur. Our next word is flat. F-L-A-T, flat. Close your eyes and repeat. F-L-A-T, flat. Next word is different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Close your eyes and repeat. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. So, our new words are done today. With same new words, I will come with a new lesson in our next session. Okay, children? So, today's session is over. Take care. Sai Ram. And you can write this all words 3 times in your book and learn by heart. Thank you, children.